It's 2025, a new chapter, a new opportunity. This is your year to rise, to fight back, and to make your comeback. Think back to the past year. What went wrong? What held you back? Maybe it was a failed goal, a missed opportunity, or a setback that left you doubting yourself. Let me tell you something. Setbacks are setups for comebacks. Every great story has a chapter where the hero struggles. But guess what? That's not the end of the story. It's the beginning of your comeback. To make a comeback, the first step is owning your story. Stop running from the past. Stop hiding from your mistakes. They are part of what makes you stronger. Take a deep breath. Look yourself in the mirror and say, "I'm not done yet," because you're not. Comebacks aren't born from comfort zones. They're built in the moments when you decide enough is enough. When you decide that fear, doubt, and failure no longer have the final say in your life. Comebacks start with a choice to rise above your circumstances no matter how tough they may seem. If you want to make a comeback, you need a vision. Close your eyes and picture the life you want to live. What does it look like? How does it feel? Now, break it down. What steps do you need to take to make that vision a reality? Remember, small steps lead to big changes. You've got 12 months, 52 weeks, 365 days ahead of you. Every single one of those days is an opportunity to grow, to learn, to improve. Don't waste them. Time is your most valuable resource. Use it wisely. Next, get crystal clear on what you want. What does your comeback look like? Is it financial freedom? Better health? Rebuilding relationships? Write it down. Visualize it, because clarity is power. You can't hit a target you can't see. Now comes the hard part, putting in the work. There are no shortcuts in a comeback story. Discipline will take you where motivation can't. Set a plan, stick to it, and show up for yourself every single day. Remember, progress, no matter how small, is still progress. Let's be real. The road to a comeback isn't smooth. You'll face doubts, distractions, and days where quitting feels easier. But here's the truth. Pain is temporary. Regret lasts forever. Every time you push through the hard days, you're building resilience. You're proving to yourself that you're stronger than your excuses. You don't have to do it alone. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, who challenge you, who believe in your comeback. Let go of the toxic voices that tell you you're not enough, because you are enough. And you always have been. Celebrate every step forward, no matter how small. Success is built on the back of consistent effort. It's not about being perfect. It's about being persistent. Every win, every lesson, every setback, it's all part of the journey. Remember this: comebacks are not reserved for the lucky or the chosen. They're for the determined, the hungry, the ones who refuse to settle for less than they deserve. 2025 is your blank canvas, your fresh start, your opportunity to prove to yourself and the world that you are unstoppable. So, what's it going to be? Are you going to let 2025 pass you by? Or are you going to rise up and take control? Your comeback starts now. Let's make it happen.